what's up everyone? This is Seth with the Landing Page Dudes, and we are back in 2025 with an exciting new update. We are finally launching our own app on Shopify. On March 1st, we're going to be launching Add Sections, which is a Shopify app that allows you to add conversion-tested pre-made sections or entire landing pages to your theme in one single click. The great thing about this app is that you buy it once and you own it forever. There's no recurring fees, there's no third-party page builders, no bloated code. You purchase a section, you purchase a landing page, you add it to your theme, and you own it forever. For those that are watching, if you want to get on the waiting list, go to addsectionthe.com. Those that get on the waiting list before March 1st are going to receive 2 landing pages for free. And yeah, it's going to be an incredible app. Everything is mobile first, conversion focused, lightning fast, blazing performance. You'll be able to add complete pages in one single click, which I'll show you. And of course, the best thing is that there's no recurring fees. I'll give you a little bit of a walkthrough of how the app works. It's still in dev mode, but just to give you an idea as to the UI. So we want to launch with 200 sections, around 200 to 250 sections. And you'll be able to kind of come to this dashboard, choose what you're looking for. If it's for testimonials, video, gallery, trending, most popular, and you'll be able to add these sections into your website with one simple click. On top of that, you also have the ability to add entire landing pages to your theme. This is compatible with almost 90% of themes on Shopify. You'll be able to click on preview, try the page before purchasing it. Now, just for full transparency, this pricing right now is not finalized. This is just dummy pricing. We're going to try to be super competitive, make the pricing make sense for you. But the good thing is, as I said before, is you'll be able to preview everything, try it before you buy it, and if you like it, you can make that purchase. So just for the sake of kind of showing you how this works, let's just say you have a Shopify theme. You could be using the Impact theme. You could be using the Dawn theme. You'll be able to come onto the app, click preview, and click on try page, which will then open up into the Shopify customizer. Now, everything here is fully editable. We wanted to make the page editable on mobile and desktop. So we gave you as many options that we think will help you build quickly, efficiently, and in the most conversion optimized format. Of course, we can add 100 different customization options, but the idea is that you're using market-tested, conversion-focused landing pages, and you're building them quickly and adding them to your actual site. Now, if you want to know how do they get added, it will be added as a page. So all these landing pages that you see here, when you publish them to your theme, they'll be added as a page. You could customize the URL slug to whatever you want. And I'll make another video afterwards as to how to do that. So beginning with the announcement bar, again, we wanted to make everything fully customizable. For this example, I'm going to be showing you like how to convert this quickly to a brand like AG1. So you can see here we have the AG1 green, we have the white text. AG1 is for winners every single day. Everything's fully customizable, even the icon, the background color, the padding. From there, we'll then go into the header. We could change the image, we could change the logo. And the idea of me showing you this is just how simple and how quick you could do all of this. Oops. But anyways, you could change this to whatever color you want. Obviously, we want to keep it nice and bright. You could change every single thing here. Let's find AG1 is the best products, blah, blah. You get the point. Let's get that image. And that's how quickly you could turn this landing page into your own brand. We wanted to make it simple. We've tested everything in every single landing page we put out. It's been tested by our agency at Landing Page Dude. It's mobile first, it's conversion focused, and it's gonna help you sell more without having to hire designers, developers. Again, everything is fully editable. The padding, the sections. So if you are looking for a solution, please reach out to us, sign up on addsections.com. You're going to be getting 2 free landing pages if you get on the waiting list before March 1st. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, comment on the video. But thank you for taking the time, and I will be back again shortly with another update. Thank you.